In the name of the creator of wonders, I Alimaj, a narrator of the world's marvels, invite you a journey to unveil one of the nature's most extraordinary spectacles. Niagara Falls, a place where earth, sky, and water harmonize to the created the eternal scene of grandeur and power. Allow me to share the story of this natural masterpiece with you. The history of Niagara Falls, the birth of a legend. The story of Niagara dates back over 12,000 years to the end of Ice Age, when massive glaciers began to melt. Torrential waters carved their way through rocks and plains, creating this breathtaking natural wonder. The name Niagara originates from the language of the Iroquois natives and means strait, a fitting title for this endless marvel. Over the centuries, the Niagara Falls has witnessed history unfold, from the Native Americans who revered this place as sacred to its evolution into one of the world's most significant tourist destinations. In the 19th century, development, railways, and hotels drew thousands of visitors eager to witness its extraordinary beauty up close. But Niagara Falls is not just a feast for the eyes, it was also one of the first sources of renewable energy the world. In the early 20th century, hydroelectric power plants were constructed in the area, and to this day they provide electricity to millions of homes. The majestic waterfall comprises three main sections. Horseshoe Falls, the largest and the most magnificent section, primarily located in Canada, with a height of approximately 51 meters or 167 feet, and a width of nearly 790 or 2,519 feet. It appears as a certain of water cascading from the heavens. Its thunderous roar captivates the soul. Two American Falls, situated on USA soil. This smaller section stands between 21 to 34 meters or 70 to 110 feet tall, showcasing unmatched force despite its smaller size. 3. Bridal Veil Falls, the smallest yet perhaps the most delicate section of the falls, resembling a graceful well of water located on the American side. Every second, approximately 2,400 cubic meters, 84,000 cubic feet of water plunge over these three waterfalls, embodying the sheer power of nature. Geographical location, a border between two worlds. Niagara Falls lie on the border between the Ontario, Canada and New York State, USA. It connects the Niagara River to lakes Erie and Ontario, serving as a natural and unparalleled boundary between the two nations. An unforgettable experience of Niagara Falls. As you approach the Niagara Falls, the sensation you feel is the sound of rushing water. This sound does not just fill your ears. It resonates through your entire being. Each step close reveals more of its majesty. The gentle mist rising from the water's collision with the rocks creases your skin, and the rainbow formed with this mist transports you to a mythical realm. A small darling boats venture into the heart of the falls, carrying the passengers near the horseshoe falls. Here they're wearing the water face like tears of joy, uniting you with a magnificence of the natural world. At night, the Niagara Falls transform into something entirely different. Vibrant lighting that illuminated the falls, turning them into a living canvas. Each color tells a new story of this natural masterpiece. From calming the blues to fiery reds. Amid this vibrant display, the sound of water continues to flow in the background, creating an atmosphere of tranquility and awe. Being at Niagara Falls, an eternal experience. If you ever set foot in this place, know that every moment in Niagara is an opportunity for reflection and admiration. Here time stands still, allowing you to silently observe the grandeur of nature. Niagara Falls is not just a view. It is a story told through every drop, a story of power, beauty, and eternity. Thank you for watching this video.